guys, what is up? We are gonna be riding on a truck, on the back of a truck, guys. It's gonna be epic. I'm probably gonna drop my phone. Here we go.
Making too much. It's moving too fast. Gotta go slow.
Yeah, I know.
Guys, put you in. Let's see if I can get a picture on you.
I'm making a YouTube video.
Wait a minute. Okay, ready?
Jeez. Okay. So as I was saying before, we had to take a picture. We are gonna be driving inside the back of the truck. Little G, say hello. Yay! Hello. Yeah. We're gonna be driving inside the back of the truck. Here we go. In an old truck, actually. An antique truck. Stop making me add words to my YouTube video. An old car.
It's a classic car.
Classic car. Yep, so this is actually a pretty decent fast. I would say out of 9 out of, no, not a 5 out of 10 on this part. She does not understand YouTube. She does not understand it.
Oh, I understand.
Well, did you tell them how old the person is driving this truck and we're in the back?
Oh yeah, 85. Oh no, we're gonna fall. I just know it. No, the tire didn't pop. It was a BB gun, probably. Okay.
And we went right through the stop sign.
Well, guys, I'll have to see you later.
Oh.
Peace.